My name is Adrian Florence. I am the Vice President of Business Development for an international financial services firm.
I'm Nancy Florence. I am a caterer.
We were both born and raised in Brooklyn, New York.
We met in church.
And she caught my eye.
Yeah.
And here we are. We've been married now just over 13 years. We have 2 young boys, Darian, who's 12 years old, and Donovan, who's 11.
And we live in Teaneck, New Jersey. Bring it on,
Come on,
guys.
come on.
We love this neighborhood. Very good school district.
It's only a 15-minute drive to Manhattan.
We're big on the city dinner social life. We love it.
Problem is, they've outgrown their rental.
If you just send me that project plan, I work from home. I keep a lot of files. All of the paperwork is all jammed into here. So I need just a bigger space.
Nancy, who runs her catering business out of her kitchen, has issues as well.
I need new appliances, more counter space. I need several people to be in here with me, several chefs at the same time, for things, to go smoothly and quicker. So we're definitely looking to leave now. No more renting.
It's time for us to go out and get our own home.
Look at this kitchen. So our budget for finding a home is $450,000.
Well, $425,000.
$450.
I just think that $425,000 is good enough to get what we need. It's like a little brownstone feel. Look at all the brick.
I'm still not sold.
I've always had an affinity for brownstones. That's what I grew up around. So I really like that old school flavor from the outside.
But I love colonial style homes. The whole elegant feel and the columns and the whole curb appeal. I like defined spaces. I like a separate dining room, a separate kitchen.
You like closed off. Everything should be wide open. I would want some exposed brick in the bedroom or maybe in a den. And I'm a huge fan of those subway tiles as a backsplash.
No, not happening. Took the subway all of my childhood. I am sick of subway tiles.
Nice wood floors.
I really just want a good space, because we usually run around.
You want a place that you could just tear up. That's what you want. Yeah. So the perfect dream house for me is a move-in ready. You know what? Coming for you. We play a lot of video games. I would like to have a sanctuary where I can just have my boys come downstairs and we're playing together, where I can just relax, watch a movie. I've been hearing these stories about my wife. She takes these stripper pole classes, but I figured the only way for me to experience what she's learned is to bring that pole into the house. So I say we have a stripper pole right in the bedroom.
There's nothing wrong with it. We're married. We have a great relationship. So why not a stripper pole?
I got my dollars ready.
You get, okay, I was just gonna ask. Get your money ready. Get your money up.
Seems like this is a decent neighborhood, but it doesn't seem to be as nice as Teaneck.
This looks like industrial buildings.
Today, they're meeting their agent Don in Inglewood, about 10 minutes from Teaneck.
I don't see my kind of brownstone type home either.
But the home is well priced, and it's Nancy's preferred style.
Nice.
Colonial style house.
It sure is. No columns.
No columns, but it is colonial. 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms.
How much?
$409,000.
Nice. See, that's my kind of budget, babe.
Ooh.
Nice.
Okay.
Look at these floors.
High ceilings.
Look at how open it is, Don.
No, it's too open.
There's no such thing as too open.
There is such thing as too open. I don't want people to walk into the door, see the mess I'm making, or me in my robe, or my curlers. I need some privacy. Look at the fireplace.
See how you have
the
all of the stonework all the way up to the ceiling? But this chandelier here makes me think that this is supposed to be the dining area.
It is the dining area.
So if I'm sitting here eating Thanksgiving dinner, I'm burning up. It's a beautiful fireplace. It's just in the wrong place.
Yeah.
But this is an awesome kitchen.
Awesome.
Look at this, wine central.
This is right up my alley. The stainless steel appliances, the cabinetry, gorgeous.
And the roping accent.
Oh, it adds so much embellishment.
Yeah.
Lots of counter space. I can have multiple people in here with me, get the job done.
Also on this floor is a bedroom that Adrian could use as his office. Downstairs is a finished basement.
This is not too bad. I mean, I guess this would be the space that I would have to make my sanctuary, I guess.
What is this?
Second floor family room.
It's kind of awkward.
Well, I like it on the second floor. The kids can hang out here. You know what they're doing. The bedrooms are down the hall.
Okay.
So this is a bedroom, yes. Okay, there's a nice big window.
decent size.
There's no crown molding anywhere. Have you noticed that?
We could add it because the ceilings are really high.
Ooh, nice bathroom.
Oh, this is nice.
This is nice. Very modern. I love the hardware. This is my kind of bathroom.
I like it a lot.
Oh, this is a big bedroom. Okay, now this is bigger.
Is this the master?
This is the master bedroom.
Maybe we'll figure out what we can do as far as putting in our little stripper pole that we were talking about.
Wait, our stripper pole?
It's our stripper pole. I'm thinking maybe right here in the corner, we can have some evening fun and entertainment.
Wait, I can picture.
See?
I can picture.
You guys are crazy.
Yeah.
Walk-in closet over here.
Okay.
There's no ensuite?
No.
No
there's not.
ensuite.
But the bathroom is on the other side of this wall, so you can cut in another entrance and have a dual entrance to the bathroom.
I really have to think hard about that.
Today, they're in a desirable area of Teaneck, their preferred town, to see another option.
I don't think you're gonna find the brownstone feel in this neighborhood.
Every house seems to look the same to me.
Hey, how you doing?
Not quite my colonial home.
It does have colonial touches, though. Double hung windows and shutters.
Okay.
I love the pavers and the brick.
2,000 square feet, and the asking price is $449.
That's close to what I'm looking for.
No, that's more than what we wanted to have to spend.
Babe, my husband thinks the house is overpriced, but I love this neighborhood. I think we can make it work.
It's a good sized room,
Nice hardwood
Okay.
floors.
but the short staircase, and I see another staircase here, so
Is this a split level? I'm not too crazy about it.
It's a tri-level.
Tri-level.
it's a tri-level.
You had once told me that when you walk into a house, you didn't like to see a staircase right in
Right.
front of you.
Okay.
This is set back.
We'll see what the rest of the
See what
house
the
looks
rest
like,
of the
but
house
I'm
looks like.
not a fan of split levels.
Hey, there's a bay window over here. I like that.
It's a big open space.
This is the
dining room?
formal dining area.
Okay.
Look at the kitchen. Now you
like the
know.
countertops?
I love the countertops. It's a defined space. I like it.
But if you're in the kitchen cooking and we have friends over, you're separated.
I wouldn't want people to walk in and there'd be a mess, so it's good to have this wall up. I like the backsplash, which matches with the stainless steel appliances.
They tried to kind of make it be like subway tile,
They are in similar size.
but
Boy, your
this
subway
is
tile.
nothing like the subway tile from Franklin Avenue back in Brooklyn when I used to take the train.
No, it is not, because this is my office.
But
so
I
that
like
is
the-
fine.
One floor down is a finished family room.
We can make this, my sanctuary.
Right?
Ceilings aren't that high though in here, are they?
Well, as long as you don't, jump around and have a jump rope, you'll be fine.
There's also an unfinished basement.
It's big, I wouldn't say it's nice. The one thing that I haven't seen is an office space for myself.
This would be great. We can fix it up.
But we're at the top of our budget, so we don't have that extra cash flow to be able to build an office space.
Maybe the sellers will be a little flexible with the asking price.
Oh, boy.
Wow. Look at this
Okay,
paint
it's like an
color.
explosion of pink.
Crazy.
Easy fix. All you have to do is buy a gallon of paint.
Yeah.
Down the hall is another bright bedroom and the master suite.
This
Really?
is the master. Nice. Carpet. It's not big.
Hardwood under the carpet, though. You can never find the perfect house, that wall-to-wall carpet. They can easily rip that up.
This is tiny.
Goodness.
This is a master bathroom?
Master bathroom.
It's more.
There's nothing master about it. No.
There's one more full bath and a stairway to the finished attic.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, this
is
is
nice.
Okay, now this is a master bedroom, nice and big.
But wait, there's no ensuite.
So the bathroom would have to be the bathroom that was at the bottom of the stairs.
Beyond this closet, a
What
huge
is that?
attic.
I think there's enough space for us to build a bathroom, some more closet space.
That's a lot of money.
Babe,
We're talking a lot of money.
happy wife?
Happy wife, broke husband. That's what it is. I'm gonna write that book. Happy wife, broke husband. What I'm seeing, I'm loving. Tree-lined street.
Looks like the homes are well maintained.
Today, they're heading to an older, more established part of Teaneck, where Adrian's hoping to finally see a place with brownstone style.
Hey, Don.
Hey, Don.
This is interesting.
Yeah, it's a cottage-style house. 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths.
One and a half.
I know you wanted 2, but the asking price is only $395,000.
That's it?
That's
That's
positive.
it. And we got some brownstone.
You got the brownstone.
We have some brown stones, but this is not a brownstone. Oh, okay.
Lots of pink. Wow. Ooh, this is
Wow.
a nice living area. I
size
love
living
it.
room.
Really big. I like the size.
I love it.
Hey, look at these
Really
beams.
Ceilings, right?
I love it. Very charming. Oh my gosh.
I'm loving this fireplace. This is not a brownstone, but I can immediately imagine and see my family living in this space. So this would be the dining room.
Formal dining room.
I love it. I didn't
Okay,
think I would like it.
It's a formal dining room. I like that part, but it's creepy. It's very creepy.
You gotta be kidding me. What's
It's
creepy
ve-
about
it
this?
looks like there are hidden doors where you shove bad children in. I just don't like
That
it.
would be even cooler. But I think this is very, very classic.
It doesn't work for me.
I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree on this room.
Yeah, I'm gonna find one of those hidden doors and shove you in there.
That was a little too mean.
Don't be sensitive now. All right. I like this
So there's a
kitchen.
kitchen.
It's big. It has the island, 5-burner range. Very important for the catering business.
You've got these white appliances,
Quick fix.
but then when you get over here by the sink, what is this?
Laminate.
Fix that, change that. But look at the space. Look at the length of the cabinet. And when you, oh wow, when you open it up, look at this. Who has this? Space for spices. I'm not crazy about the floors, but I think the potential outweigh the floors.
Whenever I hear the word potential, I hear money.
Downstairs is a large basement.
They framed it, but they didn't
elec-
finish it.
The electric is there.
Hey, sweetheart, did you notice? We've got an oven down here too, so you can extend your catering company to the basement.
Why?
Again, this is that word potential,
Potential.
which means
Potential.
cost.
On the way to the second floor is a half bath.
I like this landing.
All I see is gold and silver leaf wallpaper,
Yeah.
and it's everywhere.
Ah, this is the full bath.
Goodness gracious.
Oh, wow.
What's this gate here for?
Okay, so this is a
Oh, I get
separate
it.
area.
I get it. It's a throne, so it
Right.
deserves its own special entrance.
There you go.
Down the hall are 2 guest bedrooms and the master.
The grand entrance to the master
The
bedroom.
grand entrance.
Okay.
Oh, carpet.
Easy to
man.
pull up.
What in the world is this? Oh, maybe they had a chandelier hanging? This means that it's attached to a stud.
I already see where this is going.
That means
see what-
that it's secure for
Or a,
stripper pole.
there it is.
We
folks,
still have
there
a
it
place
is.
in this. Okay, Don.
Yeah.
This bedroom just went up in my estimation. It's romantic.
We make each other laugh. So entertaining him would be very comical.
What do you think about the colonial house, the one that was $409,000?
You know, I love colonials.
I love the fact that it's an open floor plan,
I like the defined space, but the kitchen was amazing.
brand new everything.
I didn't like the neighborhood.
There's no ensuite bathroom, but we have some budget space to put in the bathroom if we need it.
What do you think about the tri-level?
Obviously, it's $449,000. It was the most expensive home.
But still well within our budget.
Well, within your budget.
It was a nice open space for the living area, but then it had a defined space as you look into the kitchen. That's big for me. The kitchen, though, was not very big.
Great neighborhood, but it looked like bubblegum blew up all over that place. And that room that we would make the master bedroom, we would have to put in a bathroom. There's no closet space. I just can't see that. What about the cottage style home? What was it, $395,000?
Great area. It was a huge living
That
room.
place was big.
The layout of the kitchen was great. And I do like that it was a separate dining room, but it was creepy. It looked like hidden doors
It
were
was
just,
character.
no.
Upstairs, there was only one bathroom, but we have the budget to be able to upgrade it.
So,
Let's pick a house.
all right.
I'm assuming you would like the tri-level.
Ding, 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 ding.
Happy wife?
Happy life.
And less money in my pocket, but I think it's the most move-in ready for our family.
We've been living here for 3 weeks, and we absolutely love our house.
And the boys have been loving it too.
While the house was listed for $449,000, they walked away with a much better deal.
After, some smooth negotiations by my wife and some other back and forth, we actually landed at $413,000. Way below my budget, so I'm over the moon about it.
This makes you very happy.
Very happy.
See?
Downstairs in the unfinished basement, one half has been finished off for my office, and the other half will be extra space for Nancy's catering business. Do we really have all this stuff?
Yeah, we do.
They've turned the attic into their master bedroom and have started building a walk-in closet.
The other half of the attic space will be our in-suite bathroom.
We don't have to share with the kids, just our own bathroom. In order to be, remain physically fit, at my husband's request, we will be getting the pole in the bedroom.
And will be delivered next week.
And installed, I'm sure, very quickly.
Immediately thereafter.